So let's say you were doing timing on your Toyota Corolla and not knowing that there's a tensioner on the timing cover, you pull the cover off and the timing chain jumped, everything moved. Um, there's no reason to panic. It's a very easy fix. You can take care of it. One thing you need to do in that case is you would need to install the bolt for the crankshaft back into the pulley like this. And here, and then you will need to take out all 4 of your spark plugs. Once you do that, you can take out your dipstick like this and then guide it down to the piston. Make sure it goes into the piston out of the spark plug hole. Stubborn pieces. There we go, right here. Now one thing you need to make sure is your piston number 1 and piston number 4 in a top dead position. That means they're really on the top position up near the cylinder head. So you can measure by holding it right here, take it down to cylinder number 4. So we have the same position. Now, let's say you did not have that position, right? Okay, what do we do? Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to turn the engine and watch this one move. Okay, now watch. Now it's starting to go up. I'm going to go one more time. And then you're going to stop right when the top is reached and it's about to turn. You stop. Right here, we stop. Right now, we're at the top dead center. Another way you can confirm you're in the right position, like I said, is to mark the here, whatever tool you're using, drop it in the fourth. Should be right about there. If that's the correct one, that looks good to me. Next thing you would notice is the cotter pin is at 90 degree position, and this dot here. So this dot here, you can see a little dot right there, is pointing 3 o'clock. Now the next thing we need to do is the timing for the cams. You're going to turn the camshaft until you have this lined up with this bolt here, and the back one we're going to end up turning. So what we need to do is make sure the camshaft positions face each other. So this one is this way, this one is going to face this way. Take a turn. So when you turn the cam, this is facing and this is facing each other like that. That's the right position. You will notice this mark is right on top. This mark is pointing toward the bolt. The backs are the number 4 is almost out. This one also is positioning the same way. This is this way and that one is that way. So they're both about out. So now what we need to do is put a timing chain. What we need to line up on the timing chain is the yellow marks over here, yellow marks here, drop it down, guide the yellow mark and line it up with that point that was pointing this way, other yellow mark. Here we go, chain is on, lined up, the tensioners are on, new ones. You can see the point lining up. This is how this tensioner is, just to guide it up. That one has 2 bolts. And that's it. You're just gonna clean, put in the silicone, install your cover. And then proceed with the adjustment of the tensioner on the motor anti-clockwise first, and then clockwise. Everyone for watching, I appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.